Hey class, for my final slide design, I chose to work with Google and with their Made by Google Pixel 2 ad campaign. And the Pixel 2 was designed to be the successor to the original Pixel and to compete with Apple and Samsung, particularly with the iPhone X. So when we start out here, we see the original ad. There is a lot of white space. That was part of the reason that I picked it originally. The only color in it, aside from the photo within it, is the Google label, which is clearly attributing this ad to Google. Moving into an analysis of the design of the ad, we see that there is, obviously, like I mentioned before, a lot of white space. And this creates a lot of focus on the subject, which is kind of two things, both the outline of the phone with the really pretty photo and the Google logo. And this modern feel of the design, it appeals to the younger millennial generation of today, which is really Google's target audience. As we kind of move into the typography of this slide design, we see that the only text, which is just a simple date right here, is very clear, very simple, very easy to read. It's just a very simple sans serif modern font. Then moving into the color of the ad itself, we see that it's very simple. The only color in it, aside from the Google logo right here, is the photo in the background. There's lots and lots of white space, and this appeals to the viewers and brings the focus directly into where Google wants it to be. And the bright colors provided in the logo provide color to the overall ad, while clearly identifying the product that is being advertised. So for the creation of my new ad, I maintained the theme and created a black background in Illustrator with a simple white sans serif text here and with the same outline, and put in a photo of my own. It's obviously in the same theme and obviously the same company here, and the wonderful color usage in both photography and company logo maintain the consistency with the original ad. Some other similarities also here is the typography. This typography is exactly the same style as the original Google ad. It is a different color, but it is clearly part of the same theme. The modern feel of this design is very, very consistent with the original ad. So this ad fits with the new campaign because of its similarities, all the enormous amount of white space, the similar placement of shapes, the outline of the phone, the Google logo. I was able to combine all of these two together, the Google logo and the outline, to create the exact same theme for the new ad. And I was able to use Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to create everything on here. It was wonderful working with all of you, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the rest of our education.